Let's go ahead and take this out. And then this. This is also a convertible. When you look at it, this is right and this is left. If you don't want to use this side, you need to take it out. And then we can just put it over there. And go ahead and put it there. And that's it. Also same thing, you can do it right or left side. I'm just gonna take this out and put it over there, and then go ahead and screw it. But I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna use this side and continue. I will put this one right there, and then the other one is gonna go that way. See? Let's go ahead and put it. Let's put this one. This is the new one. Three of them goes here. Let's put this one there. I'm just gonna take this one from here. And when you're done with this, go ahead and put the other one right here. But first of all, do the connection. It's done. You have enough space, we can just put it inside. And then what I do, now it's good. Now it's fully open. Oh, look at that. I like that.
Door open.
Okay.
Door closed.
That's good. Here is the application. Let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna go ahead and create my account and then come back. Let's try to add it from here. Add device. And now it's in pairing mode. Let's go ahead and find camera and lock. Lock, Wi-Fi. We put the password. And now,
Wi-Fi.
right now, it is connected.
Please press the number selection.
You can go back and exit the settings.
Exit settings.
You can unlock the door with this.
Door open.
There is physical key to unlock it. It has 2 keys and 2 cards. If you want to add your fingerprint, you need to follow these steps to enter the fingerprint. For example, this. Let's do it. 1 1 1 3 1 1 1 3. First of all, we're gonna press this and this.
Please verify the administrator.
And then 1 2 3 4 5 6.
Verification success.
Then we're gonna put 1 1
System setting. 3.
1
System
3
query.
1
1.
1
Administrator.
1
1.
and 3.
Current user. 0 0 1. Please enroll fingerprint.
Okay.
Please enter again. Please enter again.
No.
Current user 0, 0, 2. Please enroll fingerprint.
Okay, we're done with 1. And we can go back.
1. Use exit setting.
And now I exited. And let's try. Now it's working. Here is the menu navigation map. You can do all kinds of settings if you follow these directions, such as card information, fingerprint. You can delete all the passwords, and you can change the settings, unlock other settings, language, time, and system inquiry, remote management, like everything. I can suggest this product because it has 2 physical keys and 2 cards, and everything is so obvious here, and this is very stylish. There are some options. You can unlock the door, fingerprint, password, physical keys, and the cards. Whenever you ring the bell, you're gonna get the notification. Someone is ringing the doorbell.